I'm Dawson Rogers, project manager here for LRT down at the Roebling Bridge, and we just finished up an awfully nice tour with everybody in Shelby's professional group to view the scopes and what brought us to actually making the repairs here on the bridge. Definitely one of the coolest projects I've ever worked on. I've been doing this for a few years now, and even some of the highway guys say that they rarely come across these kind of stone repairs, that sort of thing. We've currently flipped to the east walkway to make our repairs. As of right now, we've finished repairs to the middle faces of the towers and the west faces. And then while we're working on the east faces of the towers, we'll be going up to the top to do some of our concrete and railing repairs up there. And while that's all been going on, we've been doing our work at Anchorage 2 and at Anchorage 1, which has been much more of your normal, I guess, kind of roadwork project. Some of the most challenging things have been with our access to the towers, phasing that around public access to the bridge, making sure that we get our guys the material that they need when they need it. There's an awful lot of distance between where we have our laydown area at, where I'm standing now, and actually where the work needs to be put in place all the way out on the bridge. At its height, I believe we had 10 swing stages up, circling both the south and the north tower on 3 sides. We're down to about 6 stages, which pretty soon will be down to 2 stages. And we had up to, I believe, 18 field personnel up in the stages at our peak, up there making repairs to the stone facades, that sort of thing. So it's been a lot of coordination. Rain and wind have been not our friends. Whenever those two events are happening, it makes it hard to get into the towers and do our work, especially since they're somewhere around 150 feet up at any given time. The wind blows a little stronger up there. But when it comes to colder temperatures, we have more difficulty putting our material in place in those cold temperatures, so we'd like to get all that in before we hit the real cold winter weather. We hope to have the bridge opened at the end of December of this year. We won't be done with all of our repairs of the bridge at that time, but hopefully when the bridge is returned to service, we'll be able to kind of continue our repairs outside of the public's eye.